This is FlexClip. This is gonna make you a video that's ready to be published on YouTube from nothing more than a single prompt. So let me just show you what this tool is capable of. The real magic is when you click create a video. We could choose any aspect ratio that we like, 16:9 for a YouTube video, and I'll click get started. First, it will ask you to import media. We do not have to import anything. We can completely skip that step. If you do have your own media or video files, then you can upload what you want, but we do not need to upload anything. We can create entire documentary videos just by using what's already on this platform. It's an incredible tool and it's super easy. They've made this foolproof. So let me just show you how this AI video editor works. And let's just come down here where it says tools and click on that, and here is where the magic happens, you guys. Look over here. You have an AI video generator, so it's going to generate videos from your prompt, article, or URL. So you have an AI image generator. So say you can't find some stock footage that you want to find, well, you can just create it right in here. So you don't have to go outside of this platform. You can literally do everything step by step within FlexClip and never have to leave this platform. So let's just go ahead and try and make a video. Now I want you guys to remember that FlexClip was extremely generous and they are willing to give 3 of my lucky subscribers a 1-year free business account, which is amazing, you guys. That is worth $200 a piece. So each one of you is going to be getting something that's worth $200. And for my subscribers that do not win, don't get discouraged, guys. Any other companies that reach out to me, the first question I'm going to ask them is, what do you have in store for my subscribers? Okay. And I also want to tell you that FlexClip has a free tier. So make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. You could even start a faceless channel with this tool, and you can do it with their AI video generator. And remember, guys, at the end of this video, we are going to do the drawing and we are going to find out our 3 winners today at the end of this video. So what we're going to do is get started. So we're going to get started by clicking on AI video script. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell it to create me a documentary on the greatest mysteries of ancient Egypt. Right below that, you can see something that says duration. So we could choose to create our script short, medium, or long, depending on how long you want your YouTube video to be. So let's go ahead and generate our script. Wow, and just like that, we have our entire script. All right, so now that we have our script, look how easy they have made this. FlexClip has made this completely foolproof. Now look, all we have to do is click on the AI to video button, and now it's gonna turn it into a complete video. Okay, we have done nothing but write like 3 words on a vague prompt, and we're about to get an entire video. All right, so let's just go ahead and choose some subtitles that we want. I'll just go ahead and click on this one with the white border. Just like that, it has created our entire video, you guys. This tool is insane. Okay, we can replace this media, we can add scenes, whatever we want to do. Now, of course, we clicked on a short video. All right, so that's why we only have 6 scenes at the moment. Now over here on the right hand side, you'll see the length of each scene, and it also has the text over here on the right hand side, and here is the media that goes along with it. Now when we're happy with what we have here, we can click add to timeline. It looks like this one is actually a picture. Okay, so since this one came out as a picture, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and change this. So I'll just click on the picture. Look at all these different clips that we can choose from. So let's just type in ancient Egyptian tombs and we'll see if anything comes up. This one looks really cool right here with the hieroglyphics on it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. All you got to do is click on replace, and now it's replaced that clip with this new media. Say you wanted to rearrange one of these scenes, you could just click right here on this side button and drag it up to rearrange it. I'm just going to keep it where it's at because I think it's fine, but I just wanted to show you that real quick. This is going to be perfect. All right, now just like that, we've replaced all the media with scenes that I feel are going to fit our documentary very well, and it's going to make the whole video very cohesive. So once we replace the scenes to have them how we want, we're just going to click add to timeline. And as you can see, they have also added in music for us as well. So one thing we need to add is our voiceover. We need our narration, okay? So how do we do that? Well, let's just go over to this sidebar right here where you see subtitles. We're gonna click on that. You'll see this button right here at the top, subtitle to speech. All right, so let's go ahead and click on subtitle to speech. And this is how we're gonna create our entire voiceover. So we clicked on that, and now look up here. You'll see language English. So you could change it to any language that you want. But of course, I'm gonna leave it on English for our video. Now, under voice, we're gonna be able to choose the different voice actors that we want. If you click on play, you'll hear a little preview of their voice before you actually select it.
He waved to acknowledge the crowd, and then he waved again.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead with Davis because his voice sounds like it could be good for narrating a documentary. And under the voice style, we could change the type of voice that we want. We can go with angry, cheerful, excited, friendly. We can also choose speed and pitch. Click on generate. Now, just like that, FlexClip has created the voiceover for us. Now, remember what I told you guys? This is like having ChatGPT be able to create an entire video for you. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at our video and see how it looks now.
In the land of the pharaohs, a civilization shrouded in mystery and intrigue.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it right there. I feel the background music is a little bit too loud right now. So I'll highlight that audio instrumental track, okay? And I'll come up here and I'll click on the volume tab, and I'm just gonna drag that volume down a little bit for our background music. Wow, it is looking very, very good. Now, say you didn't like the background music that FlexClip chose for this video. All you have to do is highlight that and click on audio over here on the left tab. We'll go ahead and search for cinematic. Now, when you find an instrumental that you like, all you have to do is click and drag it on top of the other instrumental to replace that one. And just like that, we have a new song on our timeline. Now I'm going to go ahead and lower that volume down. And now let's try playing our video again.
In the land of the pharaohs, a civilization shrouded in mystery.
Okay, still a little bit loud. We don't want to drown out our voiceover, so let's turn it down a little bit more.
In the land of the pharaohs, a civilization shrouded in mystery and intrigue. From the enigmatic hieroglyphics to the perplexing ancient artifacts, Egypt holds countless secrets waiting to be unraveled. At the heart of these mysteries are the tombs of the pharaohs, filled with treasures and riddles that continue to baffle scientists and historians. The ancient rituals and ceremonies of the...
Okay, that is looking awesome, you guys. If we highlight one of these video clips, we can come over here on the left-hand side and choose effects. And look at all these built-in effects that they have that we can add in over top of our video. We have lens flares right here, which I think would go good with our first scene. We have some film effects. So I like this effect, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it. And just like that, while I have this video clip selected, I click on this effect, and it's automatically gonna add this effect over top of this video. Let's check out that first clip with the effect on it.
A civilization shrouded in mystery and intrigue.
Yeah, I think that looks really cool. Now let's watch the next clip. Maybe something from the lens flares. All right, now another way to add a little effect to the clip is if you have, once you have the clip selected, if you come up here on the top bar, you'll see this little button right here says filter. On the left, you have all these different filters. You could change it to black or white. You could change it to sepia, the vintage filter. Now let's select this next clip. Clicking on the adjust tab right here, we can change the exposure, the contrast, the brightness. We could change the saturation if we want it more desaturated. We can add a vignette to it. We can also adjust the speed of the clip. But here's something really cool. If you click over on the curve speed tab, let's click on that. You have all these different options and these really cool presets. You'll see all these different pre-built templates. So you have hero time, you have bullet, you have jump cut. And if we click on one of these, we'll see how cool this is. Let's click on hero time.
As we delve deeper into this ancient civilization, we explore...
Did you guys see that? It speeds it up, then slows it back down a little bit, and then speeds it up again. How about a montage?
As As we delve deeper into this ancient civilization, we explore the theories and hypotheses that attempt to shed light on the mystery.
Wow, that is incredible how easy they have made this, you guys. They have made a foolproof video generator where you can create YouTube quality videos with a simple, vague prompt. Okay, you guys, this is the time that you all have been waiting for. It's time to find some winners. We got 3 winners coming up. We're gonna put the link to the video right here where I told you guys to comment and shout out your hometown. So let's go ahead and paste in the link. And guys, are you guys ready? This is exciting, man. This is exciting. Okay, you guys, it is time to pick a winner. Let's go. Hey, here we go. Our first winner, guys. Here we go. It is Nagapoa. It's my boy from Copenhagen, Denmark. Congratulations. He shouted it out from Copenhagen, Denmark. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. I hope it helps you. I hope you're able to create some awesome videos. Wow, this is exciting, guys. I like this. This is fun. All right, let's find another winner. We're going to go for our next winner. Let's find another winner. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Drum roll, please. Our second winner is Lenny YouTube. Lenny YouTube. Congratulations from Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is in the house. Here we go. Lenny, you won, brother. You won. Congratulations. I hope it helps you. I hope you make some great videos, and maybe you could start a YouTube channel, a faceless channel, whatever you want to do, guys. Congratulations, Lenny. Make sure you guys stick around because I'm going to tell you how to get this account, okay? You guys have to email me. Hold on. All right, guys. So that's Lenny, and the other one was Nagapoa. I hope I'm saying that right, but so far we got Denmark and we got Puerto Rico. Now we need one more drum roll, please. Let's find the last winner. Here we go. It is the Book Asset 9691. He's sending love from India. All right, I had a feeling we're gonna get a winner from India because I had a ton of comments from India. A lot of people were coming in from India. All right, the Book Asset. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner. I'm very happy for you guys. And like I said before, if you guys did not win, do not get discouraged. Okay, I apologize. I wish I had something to give every single one of you. I really do. I really mean that. But I'm going to look out for you. Anybody else, any other companies that come my way and they email me, I promise you I will be looking out for you. And I'm going to try and get you all some more free giveaways, guys. Now, to the winners, to the 3 winners, you guys have to email me, okay? This is what you need to do. You need to go to FlexClip, all right? So click on the link in the description below. Go to FlexClip. You need to create a free account, okay? You just sign up with your email. Once you sign up with your email, you need to email me, all right? My email is in the description, madebywebb@gmail.com. You need to email me, and you need to just send me your email. Don't send me your password. Just send me the email that you're using to log into FlexClip, and I will then send that to the contact that I have at FlexClip, and I'll let them know, and they're going to upgrade you guys to a business account 1 year free, okay? So you 3 winners need to email me, and make sure you tell me the email you're using for FlexClip. All right, guys, that was it, man. I had a lot of fun making this video. I really did, and I'm so glad for you guys that won. And for those of you that didn't win, don't worry. You guys can go and you can still check out the tool. They have the free plan. Make sure you click on the link in the description below, and make sure you stay tuned to AI Web TV because we will have more free giveaways in the future. I promise you, I will not accept a deal from any of these companies unless they provide something for my people. All right, guys, I hope you have a great night, and I will see y'all in the next video.